Woodforest again. Gorgeous home built in 2015 with a pool, listed at $850, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2 half baths. This one is a beauty. Come check it out with me. Right when you walk in, it is absolutely stunning here. Nice hardwood floors throughout. Really beautiful kitchen. This one has a double oven. A lot of them have a microwave over it, but this one has the microwave over here. Gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances. I love that the island is stained and the rest of it is white. Beautiful fireplace by the dining area. Really fun in here. You've got wood beams throughout. This cool island for eating breakfast at. Cool balcony up there. Huge beams on the ceiling. Let's go outside first and check it out. Really pretty covered area, outdoor kitchen. Oh my gosh, look at that little veranda out there. Absolutely beautiful. Got a TV mounted up there. Great place to hang out in the summers. Okay. All right, let's tour down here. You've got your laundry room right here. So there's your pantry. And then you've got a little coffee bar slash wine bar area. This one has some built-in cabinets, definitely a big pantry with a good sink over here, which is always nice for soaking things. So that's your pantry. Then you come out here. Let's go over this way and head over to the primary. Heading into the primary, the floors change in here. This is a tile. This is a nice large primary, tray ceiling. Got a bay window looking out to the pool where they've got a little study area. Beautiful bathroom. Got a built-in tub, 2 large vanities, and here's your shower, which is very cool. Got a nice linen closet here. Love the glass detailing. And a very large closet. Very, very large. Very cool. Okay, so then you've got your toilet area. Beautiful primary bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna head back out and go check out more of this gorgeous home. I love all the arch detailing in here. It's really a pretty, pretty home. All right, so down here, there's your front door. Let's see what we've got down here. Oh my my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. Nice big bedroom. Got ensuite bathrooms in this one. Tiled all the way up. What an adorable room this is. Let's check out this closet. Good size walk-in closet. Great size bedroom. It's off the courtyard right here, off the front. And you've got a coat closet. Okay, we'll head upstairs. Let's keep checking out these other areas. So here is going to be, they use it as a workout room and a study. Bonus room. Could be a kids' play area. Lots of multi-purpose use for this room. I love that paint color, it's great. And here's one of your powder baths, which is really great for entertaining. They don't have to go to kids' bedrooms or bathrooms to use the restroom. Here's kind of how they've done their little drop station from their garage. So you've got a 2-car garage. They've got good storage. They do have the coating on the floor, which is really nice, and good storage here. Again, out to your little courtyard. This is a cozy, charming house. All right, let's head upstairs. So cute. Decorated so. Oh, I love that sign. Be still and know. Okay, so another bedroom right here. These are all really big bedrooms, good sizes. Let's check out the closet. Really good sized closet. And then they again have another ensuite, which is really, really nice. Very neutral colors. Okay, I've got a linen closet right here. And then another huge bedroom. Really pretty. I love the way they decorated this. Look at this old vintage dresser. It's very cute. Again, another ensuite bathroom. So every bedroom has its own bathroom, which is really a nice feature in this home. And wow, huge, huge closet. Okay, so those are your 4 bedrooms. You've got your primary, your 2 up here with their own bathrooms each. And then you've got the one off the front. So here's your balcony looking over. It's really pretty. Okay, so love that, of course. Cute little sitting area. And then you've got a fun, big game room here. So a bar with a fridge. I bet that's the other half bath. Let's go see. You can kind of see out your courtyard. Here's your other half bathroom. Very, very nice. This is your attic. So they have a ton of storage in there. Really nice storage. And this one, okay, here's your bar area with a fridge. And then we've got another media room. Let's go see this one. All right, media room, very cool. Huge TV, it's got some sconces. It's a very cool room of this one. All right, you guys, that is another tour of Woodforest in the 800s. absolutely a stunning home. Okay, I hope you enjoyed another tour. If I can get a tour for you, you're looking, happy to do it every day for clients. Please reach out. I hope you have a blessed day.